So YouTube just made a big change. Accounts that were once banned forever might now get a second chance. Channels removed for COVID or election misinformation used to face permanent bans, but YouTube says rules have changed. A pilot program will let a limited group of creators return. Big names like Dan Bongino, Steve Bannon, and Robert F. Kennedy Jr. were banned under the old rules. Whether they will return is still unclear. The change follows Republican pressure, with lawmakers accusing YouTube of enforcing Biden-era censorship. Donovan, an Alphabet lawyer, said Biden officials pushed YouTube to remove some videos, calling it unacceptable and wrong. YouTube ended its strict COVID misinformation rules in late 2024 and says it will now support more free expression. The platform won't use third-party fact-checkers, but will keep info panels under videos. Meta also dropped fact-checking, while Google Search and News still show labels for misinformation. This could signal a shift toward more open online conversation, or just another experiment by YouTube.